Hi friends, welcome back. It's Kumar with you. Welcome back to our channel, Ask Math with a Spoon. Now I hope you are enjoying my dishes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay. Now today I am here with a new dish. It's a breakfast or afternoon dish, we can say. Okay, I'm going to make an eggless omelette. Okay, which is a simple dish. Children will like it very much. Actually, I'm going to make it in two ways. One is just omelette only. Okay, then the second one with bread. You can make it either way. Okay. As I told you, children will like it very much. They can take it to school as tiffin, and they will love it. Okay. Even we love it very much. So of course, children will like it. And eggless omelette. So let us start. So let us see what are the ingredients required for this eggless omelette. Okay, vegetable omelette. Okay, I have taken here 1.5 cup of gram flour. Okay, I have taken here chopped long beans cut into small pieces. Then cabbage is there, chopped to small pieces. 3 green chillies again chopped to small pieces. Then chopped coriander leaves and 1 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida and 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces and around 50 grams of butter. Take 1 teaspoon of this baking soda, then salt is there as per taste and water as required. Yeah, let us start. I have taken here 1.5 cup of gram flour and 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm going to add here salt, dinosaur. Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to take here around 1 spoon of red chilli powder, which is actually optional. I didn't mention it in the ingredients. When I said the ingredients, I didn't mention it. So just 1 teaspoon. Okay, just mix it now. Add butter, increment. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It will make a thick batter now. Yeah. Now the batter is ready. A thick batter is ready now. Here I am going to add 1 teaspoon of this I have taken Foster Clark's baking powder. Okay. That's it. I'm going to mix it. Well, we're going to make a thin batter now. Okay. Yeah, the batter is ready now. Very thin, lumps free batter now, very thin. Now, before I am going to start making this one, I'm going to fry the cabbage a little bit. Okay. I'm going to fry this cabbage now. Piece of butter. Okay, let it fry. Let it melt. The butter is melted. I'm going to add this cabbage in it. In fact, this cabbage, the raw smell, someone may not like. So I'm going to fry this. Those who like the raw taste, they need not fry this one. Since I'm frying it, I'm going to add a bit of Asafetida, okay, or hing, you can see. Let us fry this. Frying it when it is not necessary to deep fry, but a little bit of golden yellow color. So almost ready, maybe another 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, it is ready now. This is enough. Okay, I'm going to turn the flame now. Okay. Okay, now we'll start making the. So now let us start. I'm going to add a bit of oil here, which is optional. So I just let it melt. I'm going to add a bit of the beans chopped, coriander leaves chopped, bit of tomato chopped, and cabbage, fried cabbage chopped. Okay, good. I'm going to add the batter now here. One. Okay, good. It look very nice. Very nice. Look very nice now. Okay. Let us see. Yeah. What a smell. Nice smell. Aroma is coming. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. So this is the eggless omelette. Okay. Now this is a plain omelette actually. Now next one I'm going to make with bread. Yeah, let us split it over. Ready now. I'll transfer it to the plate. I'm going to add the bread now. Okay. Yeah, let us see how it's coming. Okay. Yeah, we are going to add the fried cabbage also. Okay, let us see. Yeah, good. It's nice. The aroma is very nice. Okay. Very good. Wow. Yummy. Yes. Now I'm going to tuck it inside. Okay. A little bit. Just to flip it over. Yeah, good. Look nice. Exactly look like the original omelette. Okay, that omelette. Okay, good. You know, earlier I didn't put the green chili because that I made for my little princess. You can add chili as per your taste, what spicy you require. Okay, now this is ready, almost ready now. Okay, just flip it over once again. Ah, ha, ha. Yeah, what smell is coming? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Ready now? Yeah, I'm going to transfer it to a serving plate. Yes! It look like, exactly look like a bread omelette. Hi! Welcome back. Yeah, the dish is ready and my little princess is going to taste it.
Yes!
Yeah.
I will taste it.
Good, good, good. No problem. Obviously, my darling. Yeah.
It's yummy.
Yeah. How is it?
Can I have this to school?
Yeah, definitely, my darling. Definitely. You'll taste it, okay?
Okay.
You can have it full, okay?
Oh.
Thank you very much. So, what do you have to tell to our friends?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Goodbye.